I'm sorry. Just laying down some dope tracks here and didn't see you there. But since you've already interrupted my sick flow, I might as well tell you about my new feature film, The Lego Batman Movie. Written, directed, sound mixed, choreographed, and painstakingly beatboxed by me, because I'm Batman. In my spare time, I also cut together this trailer filled with some, but certainly not all, of my best hero moments and zingers. So enjoy it. Batman out. Wait. Batman back in. Forgot to drop the mic. Hey, Pewter, I'm home.
Welcome home, sir. Initializing that cave music. So, did anything exciting happen today?
I saved the city again. It was off the chain. Anyway, I should probably have some grub.
Alfred left your lobster thermidor in the fridge.
Oh, that's my favorite. I can't wait. Not 20 minutes. Stupid. I deserve this today. Today I deserve it.